The Mid-Autumn Festival is coming, but you'll find that when you want to make some mooncakes or any other foods with salted egg yolks, the traditional salt curing process is taking forever. Today, I'm gonna show you a really fast way to make salted egg yolks, so you don't have to worry about not making it in time. Plus, you don't have to waste any of that egg whites. So, a brief intro for those of you who have never tried a salted egg. A salted egg is a Chinese preserved food product, usually made by soaking duck eggs in brine for months. Personally, I'm not a big fan of salted egg whites because it has a sharp taste and way too salty. But the orange-red yolk is rich, fatty, and less salty, which can be used in many Chinese desserts including mooncakes, egg yolk pastry, 粽子, custard buns, to bring a taste of saltiness and oiliness, or cooked with other foods as a flavoring, such as tofu, rice crust, shrimp, and minced meat. And also the yolk can be eaten as a condiment to rice or congee. So today, let's do not waste any of that egg whites and make the salted egg yolk ready to be used less than a day. So the ingredients are simple. You will only need some eggs. It can be either chicken or duck egg. And you'll also need an egg stand, or if you bought it with a box, don't throw it away. We'll need that soon. Also, some salt and a spare bowl or two for the egg whites. First, simply separate the egg whites and the yolks by passing the yolk back and forth between the shells gently. And leave the egg yolk in the larger half of the shell. Next, after separating the two, simply pour some salt over the yolk and use your finger to gently spread the salt evenly on the surface of the egg yolk to form a thin layer of salt. This is where the magic happens. The science behind it is that the high salt concentration will help to absorb the water or moisture in the egg yolk. Therefore, the egg yolk will become more condensed, almost solid, and oily. Put it back to the egg stand. Save the egg whites in a bowl for future use. I'm saving 2 egg whites for making the double layer milk custard later. And repeat the process. Refrigerate it, or just let it sit at room temperature for approximately 8 hours or overnight. And here is what the salted egg yolk looks like. It will have that bright orange-red color, and you can feel the oil around the yolk. Gently rinse off the salt. Depends on what you're using the egg yolk for. You can take it one step further. Bake it for 7 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit for future uses in desserts. Or you can just use it raw as an ingredient to the dish, or use it as a condiment to a congee or rice. You can also come up with some new recipe ideas, such as using it as how you would use eggs in your sushi or salad or meals. I guarantee you, the fragrance of egg oil will be something that you've never tried, so it's definitely worth a try. So why don't you give it a go? Subscribe for more recipes like this.